Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to prevent Chrome from storing browsing history on Windows PC. Google Chrome has recently become the web browser of choice for many Mac and PC users. It's fast, extensible, and relatively secure, but it has a notable flaw. Unlike most browsers, Chrome has no user setting to prevent or automatically clear the browser history. Users can always manually clear the history, but doing so takes 4 clicks through 3 menus, hardly ideal. Luckily, there's a trick you can use to prevent browsing history from being recorded in Chrome. Open Chrome. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the window. Choose Settings from the list. Select Privacy and Security from the left side list. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Go to Advanced tab in the new pop-up window. Set time range to All Time. Click on Clear Data. Close the window. Go to File Explorer. Open your system drive. Go to Users folder. Go to the user folder that you need. Open App Data folder. Go to Local. Open Google folder. Go to Chrome. Open User Data folder. Go to Default folder. Look for History file. Right-click on it and choose Show More Options. Go to Properties. A new window will open. Set attributes on the General tab to Read Only. Click on Apply and OK. If you want to allow Chrome to store data, right-click on the history file and choose Show More Options. Go to Properties. A new window will open. Uncheck Read Only. Click on Apply and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!